str object has no attribute decode. Python 3 error. Here is my code. At this point I get the error message. Python 3 doesn't have decode anymore, am I right? How can I fix this? Also, I am selecting only the first email. How do I select all?
You are trying to decode an object that is already decoded. You have a str, there is no need to decode from UTF-8 anymore. Simply drop the .decode UTF-8 part.
If you land here using JWT authentication after the Peugeot v2.0.0 release, December 22, 2020, you might want to freeze your version of Peugeot to the previous release in your requirements.txt file.
Beginning with Python 3, all strings are Unicode objects. The instructions above are the same. So I think you should remove the .decode UTF-8 part because you already have a Unicode object.
Use it by this method.